If you lost access to your Fairmoney account, don't panic. Here's the fastest way to get it back in under a minute. So let's dive into it. The best way to retrieve your Fairmoney account is to start with the basic. For example, open the app, tap the forget password, and reset it using the phone number or email linked to your account. If your SIM is lost or active or inactive, use the Fairmoney in-app chat support or email to request account recovery. They will ask for simple verification details like your full name, your phone number, and the last few transactions to confirm ownership. You can also update your phone number by providing a valid ID and BVN for identity confirmation. For tougher cases like locked account, missing OTPs, or device change issue, use the help section in the app and choose account and security to submit a recovery request. Keep your ID ready, stay patient, and avoid sharing your details with anyone outside the official Fairmoney channel. If this helps you get closer to recovery your Fairmoney account, hit the like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you want a full guide on how you can easily do that. And that's it.